Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Ads2Cash.com, yet another platform promising you'll get rich by watching ads, completing small tasks, and dragging your friends into the mix. They even dangle a $5 sign-up bonus like a carrot in front of a very hopeful donkey. It sounds interesting, but in the world of easy internet money, interesting is usually code for run away as fast as you can. Let's look at the facts. The website was registered in March 2025, making it so new it practically still has the digital umbilical cord attached. Nothing says trustworthy financial institution like a company that's been around for about 5 minutes. Then there's the supposed mobile app. They claim to be on both the Play Store and App Store, but clicking the links just loops you back to the sign-up page. It's a revolutionary new feature where the app exists only in your imagination. The team behind the curtain isn't much better. They've listed names like Michelle Wong and Neil Sharma, but the photos are clearly AI-generated. Apparently, the founders are as real as my chances of winning the lottery without buying a ticket. To top it off, their physical address is just a random location copied from the internet. Because why go through the hassle of renting an office when you can just pretend to live in a Google search result? When we checked Trustpilot, the reviews were a total circus. Most of the positive ones look like they were written by the same board bot, while the actual humans are complaining about the absurd $100 minimum withdrawal limit. You'll likely be retired before you ever see that money. Other users are reporting failed withdrawals and account suspensions, which is exactly what you want from a site you've spent hours clicking on. So is Ads2Cash.com legit? Honestly, it has more red flags than a parade in Beijing. Between the fake profiles, non-existent apps, and copied contact info, it's a total mess. If you're thinking about trying it, maybe think a third or fourth time instead. Don't risk your time or your sanity on a site that can't even provide a working link. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews and reality checks.